you know, equation to solve. But if you help yourself with writing 10,000 over 1, then you will realize that you have to cross multiply. So we cross multiply, and we get 10,000 in parentheses 1 plus 20 e to negative 1.5 t equals 30,000. And remember the key words. I have to strip it of everything. I have to simplify as much as possible. So, of course, I'm going to get rid of this, dividing both sides by 10,000. Then I have 1 plus 20 e to negative 1.5 t equals 3. Yes, I have to get rid of this now. So I have 20 e to negative 1.5 t equals 2 because I subtracted 1 from both sides. Now I want to get rid of this. So e to negative 1.5 t equals 2 over 20, which is 1 over 10. And now there is nothing else. I cannot further simplify in any way, shape, or form. But I have to strip it of everything, remove everything till the simplest possible situation. Negative 1.5 t equals natural log of 1 over 10, and then t equals that ratio. At this over negative 1.5. So natural log, don't forget parentheses around the denominator. 1 divided by 10, close the parentheses, parentheses again, negative 1.5, close, and enter. 1.54 approximately weeks. So somewhere between the first week and the second week, it jumps to 10,000. That's what makes these functions so scary. Very good. Next question.
We do number 2.
Yes. Let's look at number 2. 1, 2. Very good. We are given the formulas that we had before, and find the cumulative value of an investment. Again, the investment is 5,000, and T is 10 years, and the interest rate is 0.0275. Annual interest rate, of course. And we have compounded semi-annually, compounded quarterly, compounded monthly. Oops. I was thinking of weekly. Monthly 12, and continuously. So this one will be A of 2, 5,000, 1 plus 0.0275 divided by 2 raised to 2 times 10. This one would be 5,000, 1 plus 0.0275 over 4 raised to 4 times 10. And this one will be 5,000, 1 plus 0.0275 divided by 12, and 12 times 10 is 120. The continuous one will be A equals 5,000 and E raised to power RT, 0.0275 times 10. What I like to do, I don't like to punch in this. I like to punch in a function. For this one, I have no choice. But for these three, I like to put in a function like 5,000 in parentheses 1 plus 0.0275 divided by x, because x is the one that changes from 2 to 4 to 12. Close the parenthesis, put the caret for the power, and I write 10x because every time 2 is multiplied by 10, 4 is multiplied by 10. So the power is in parentheses 10x and close. So then I don't have to punch in the 3 times and second and table, and I punch in 2 and 4 and 12. And I get all 3 answers at once. So A of 2, you have to go back and highlight it so you can see the cents. 6570.33. Then I have 6576.46. And the last one, 6580.58. And this is A of 4, and this is A of 12. Now with the other one, the last one, I have no choice. But it's only one. So second and natural log for the E, in parentheses, 0.0. I didn't have to, I can multiply that, but let's say we put parentheses. And when you press enter, so A continuously is 6582.65. And of course, the measurement unit, they're all dollars. So don't forget the measurement units for everything. Anything else?
No questions.
Thank you. Is there anything left that we didn't look at from this previous test?
Can you go over number 8?
Let's take a look. 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we just did it here.
Oh,
This one.
I have to do it.
That's okay.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Is there anything else you would like to discuss? Everyone is avoiding Gauss-Jordan. That does it. It's like a puzzle.
We can go over that.
Okay, just for you, Sammy. No, I'm kidding. Okay, let's do the Gauss-Jordan. It's like a puzzle. Once you understand it, you can. But we can still make mistakes. It's not difficult to make a mistake here at all. So 3x plus y plus 2z equals 31. And x plus y plus 2z equals 19. And x plus 3y plus 2z equals 25. From the very beginning, I see I'm going to swap these two. So 1, 1, 2, 19. So this is my first. And then 3, 1, 2, 31. 1, 3, 2, 25. Of course, I have to use row 1 in the first step, always. Okay, so row 1 to eliminate this, it needs a -3. And row 1 to eliminate this, it needs a -1. I copy the row I'm using. 1 times -3 plus 3. 1 times -3 plus 1. 2 times -3, -6 plus 2. 19 times -3. -19 times 3 plus 31. How much is that? So plus 31, -6. Nice. 1 times -1 plus 1. 1 times -1 plus 3. 2 times -2 plus 2. -19 plus 25, 6. Gorgeous. You can't complain. We're going to divide row 2 by -2.
In that last row, you wrote a 2 instead of a 3. Is it supposed to be a 3? Is 1 times -1 and times 2.
One time.
Oh, because you're adding 3. Got it.
That's okay. I'd rather go back and check. Let me check all of them now. If you have doubts, you may be right, I may be wrong. So -3, 0, -3, -2, -6 plus 2, -3 here. Thank you for saying that there might be something. So what did I do here? 7 and 2. Look what I did. Look what I did. Thank you. 3 times 9, 7, and I carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, minus 31. So good that we find the mistake now, not later. Thank you. See? Yes. -26. Okay, and now I'm checking the last one again. -1, 2, 0, 6. I think I'm okay now. So 1, 1, 2, 19, 0, 1, 2, 13, 0, 2, 0, 6. So -2 divided by -2, -4 divided by -2, -26 divided by -2. Okay, so I have all this column and I have this. Now I have to eliminate the 1 and the 2. Of course, I have to use row 2. And with what? With -1 for this, and with -2 for this. I have to copy the row I'm using. The row I'm using is 0, 1, 2, and 13. Of course, 1 and 0 are carved in stone. If I go back and destroy that, then I'm going backwards. I'm not going to solve. 1 times -1 plus 1. 2 times -1 plus 2. 13 times -1, -13 plus 19. 1 times -2 plus 2. 2 times -2, -4 plus 0. -26. -26 plus 6. -20. Now 2 columns are carved in stone. I already have that x is 6. I have only 2 more steps. I have to divide row 3 by -4 first. 1, 0, 0 cannot change. 0, 1, 0 cannot change. So this is 1 and this is 5. This is 0 and this is 6 and 2 and 13. One more step. I multiply row 3 right now by -2 and add it to row 2. I don't need anything for row 1. Nice. 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 5, 6. 1 times negative 2 plus 2. 5 times negative 2, negative 10 plus 13. I claim 6, 3, 5. Am I sure? No, not at all. No. So easy to make an error, as you've seen. So I recommend use the calculator not to mess it up. 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5. Let's see. True or false? So I have 18 plus 3. 21 plus 10, 31. I don't need that. Okay. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 10. Yes. 6 plus 9, 15. Plus 10, 25. Ah. I really didn't want to do that.